Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, how Netflix recommends the perfect movie, or how self-driving cars actually work? The secret behind it all is artificial intelligence. But what really is AI, and how can you use it in your daily life? Let's break it down simply. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically when a machine or software can perform tasks that normally need a human intelligence. Things like learning, problem solving, recognizing speech, or making a decision, or even being creative. Think of AI as a teaching a computer how to think, not exactly like us, but close enough to help us in powerful ways. AI is all around you, even if you don't notice. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, that's AI. YouTube recommended video, AI. Fraud detection in your bank account, it's also AI. Even photo filters on Instagram is powered by AI. So how can you use AI in the smartest way? Here's some tips. Use AI tools for writing, summarizing, and scheduling. AI can help you design logos, edit videos, or even make a music. Tools like ChatGPT can explain complex topics, translate languages, and help you study faster. From customer support chatbots to analyzing data for trends, AI saves time and money. But remember, AI is not perfect. Always a fact check. Keep your personal data safe and use it as a helper, not a replacement for thinking. Artificial intelligence isn't the future, it's the present. The best way to use it? Treat it as a powerful tool, not a shortcut. Use it to learn more, work smarter, and create faster. So, what's one way you use AI in your life right now? Drop it in comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech explainers. See you in next video. Peace.